场，所有奖品都是免费赠送给大家的。
There's an event here.
有购买家电需求呢，也可以到我们大鹏车
It's called the outdoor promotion.
智能家居演区。
So in order to have more fun, there's a game. The little kids can play the game. If they can circle anything, they can take them directly, free. So the outdoor promotion is very important. This brand is MIDEA. It's famous, prestigious brand in China. It covers the all kind of business lines. It's very big in player. So this event is this one is actually carried. It's being carried by a truck. Let's look at this side. So this kind of truck can be rode to any cities. So it's easy to promote. It's easy to place. So if you find a location, just let it be there, and the cables, the power cable, has to be covered, so it won't be damaged. The power point is over there, in that direction. So this truck promotion is pretty ideal, pretty good, very nice. So all of the stuff can be carried, can be loaded by that truck, I think.
1分钱不要，直接可以带回家啊！这边越来越多小朋友在开始参与了。那么小朋友呢，如果说你套圈套的水平不够好的话，
climb the stairs.
拍照发朋友圈来集赞，集满一定赞，我们也是会送对应的奖品
Have
的。
a closer look.
这款很好的，对呀，你看它。
Cooker. It's for the kitchen. She's pitching right now. It's the air conditioner. It's pretty nice. Okay, I think it's a very good solution for your business. If you want to promote in China, outdoor, just like this. It's absolutely great. So there's an introducer, that guy. He's pitching. Yeah, I really like this kind of business solution. It's cool. It's absolutely cool. The little square is pretty spacious. So this really helps you to promote your branding. Okay, I will see you guys next time. It's my first time to see this. This is really cool, my friend. So one truck can solve all the problems. The truck can be moved to the major cities in China, so it can go everywhere. Okay, bye bye. See you.